This Deayou 1810 stainless steel butter warmer measuring pan is a compact kitchen marvel designed for convenience, precision, and durability. This review delves into its features, applications, and why it stands out in a crowded market of cookware. By the end of this detailed analysis, you'll see why this small but mighty saucepan is a must-have for any kitchen enthusiast. When it comes to multitasking in the kitchen, having the right tools is essential. The Deayou stainless steel butter warmer is a versatile and durable piece of cookware that's perfect for melting butter, warming milk, and reheating small portions. Compact yet efficient, this saucepan ensures every culinary task is carried out with ease and precision. Key features of the Deayou butter warmer. 1. High-quality 1810 stainless steel. Crafted from premium food-grade 1810 stainless steel, this butter warmer is rust-resistant and highly durable. It maintains its shine and structural integrity even after prolonged use. 2. Dual-pour spouts. The saucepan features dual-pour spouts, making it equally convenient for left-handed and right-handed users. This design ensures mess-free pouring, ideal for delicate tasks like pouring sauces or melted butter. 3. Perfect size for small batches, with a capacity of 0.5 quarts, 17 ounces. This pan is perfect for preparing small batches of sauces, warming soups, or melting chocolate and caramel. The compact size also makes it ideal for single servings. Number 4. Cool grip handle with hanging hole. The ergonomically designed handle remains cool to the touch during cooking, ensuring safe handling. Additionally, the hanging hole offers convenient storage, saving counter space in your kitchen. 5. Flat induction bottom. The flat base allows for even heat distribution and compatibility with various stovetops, including induction, gas, and electric ranges. 6. Measurement markings inside. Precise measurement markings on the interior of the pan make it easy to measure liquids accurately, eliminating the need for a separate measuring cup. Wide applications for everyday use. This butter warmer goes beyond its name, offering versatility that suits both novice cooks and professional chefs. Chocolate and cheese melting. Melt chocolate for baking or cheese for fondue effortlessly, without worrying about burning or uneven heating. Milk warming and syrup preparation. Heat milk for coffee or prepare syrups for pancakes and desserts with precision. Small batch cooking. From poaching a single egg to making teriyaki sauce, this saucepan caters to single servings and small batch recipes. Leftover reheating. The pan's compact size makes it perfect for reheating small portions of soup, gravy, or vegetables. Durability and performance. Built to last. The Deayou butter warmer is not just functional, but also incredibly durable. The stainless steel surface resists discoloration and does not react with food, ensuring your meals remain safe and flavorful. The well-balanced weight of the pan ensures it sits securely on heavy grates without tipping, even when partially filled. Why choose the Deayou butter warmer? Efficient heat distribution. Thanks to its flat induction bottom, the pan heats quickly and evenly, reducing cooking time and improving results. Compact design. Its small size is perfect for quick tasks and small kitchens where space is a premium. Stylish and functional. With its polished stainless steel finish, this butter warmer is a beautiful addition to any kitchen. Customer testimonials. Real users, real results. Here are what satisfied customers have to say about their Deayou butter warmer. I use this pan daily for melting butter and making sauces. The dual spouts are incredibly helpful. Perfect for warming milk for my morning coffee. It heats quickly and pours without mess. Durable, easy to clean, and versatile. I even use it for reheating soup and gravy. Care and maintenance tips. To ensure your Deayou butter warmer lasts for years. 1. Wash it with mild detergent and a soft sponge to avoid scratches. 2. Avoid using harsh abrasives or steel wool. 3. Dry thoroughly after washing to prevent water spots. Final thoughts. Should you buy it? If you're looking for a small, reliable, and versatile saucepan that delivers excellent results every time, the Deayou 1810 stainless steel butter warmer is a top choice. Its durability, ease of use, and thoughtful design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you're an avid home cook or someone who enjoys the occasional culinary experiment, this butter warmer will not disappoint. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.